I keep sinking into your blue, yeah, I keep sinking into your blue,
Whisper.
Oh.
Whisper. Whisper. Whisper.
This dude.
This is how we wake up the most dangerous animal at the hospital. Just by standing near the cage for too long, she'll smell the scent of flesh and wake up. Okay, there it is. Okay, so I gotta be really careful right now because she's getting up super quick and she could literally rip my arm off with one bite. Holy guys, so I was just sitting here, you know, catching up on politics, and realized this is not my dog. Hello, Bella.
Mind if I sit right here?
If you're gonna be in here while I do this, just don't make any noises.
Oh, don't worry. I'll be quiet, I promise. Pinky promise. Okay, go.
I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch these hands? Bitch, I'll catch you in the streets. I'm with that beef. Bitch, I'll beat your ass.
Instincts going no, looking bad like a bat with an eye patch. All black to the.
Okay, I keep doing business. This kid's about to die. He will go. I fucking reach down there myself, right? And give him a little shove in the hand. Get out of the way, buddy. Next thing you know, I realize this is gonna hit me.
I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la.
Stop that. Stop that. Stop that.
Oh, Ricky, come here, honey.
Stop.
You okay? It's okay. It's okay. Oh, you're shaking. Oh, honey. Come on, Psycho. Oh! Milo. Oh my God. Hi, Ricky. Slow down, dude. Let's go. Can I get an hour?
Get your ball. Get the 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 ball. Okay, go. Go, 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 go.
Did you know that the dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than it loves itself?
Found a stick on the ground and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. And I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick and I'm using it.
This is not gonna work. I can tell this is not gonna work. Okay, this is not going. Oh, so apparently, if you give a dog an egg, they'll be really calm and gentle with it. Oi! Oh my god! Sit, sit. If you give a dog an egg, sit. They will be really, really gentle with it. Apparently. Oh my god! Okay, bye. That's not gentle. Oh my god. Okay.
Waking Milo up by barking so he knows how it feels.
I've heard apples are nice, please can I try one? Wow, super crunchy. 8/10.
Tell Mamas you love her. Come here, tell her you love her. Say I love you. Good boy. Good boy.
What?
Dakota, sweetie, just
Back up. Just back up.
just